Hello and welcome back to another episode of Medieval Engineers with me, Mojo, on the Weemcast server. And today I'm going to check on my farm. I hope... Oh, a lot of this wheat did grow. Did I plant this much wheat? Certainly not. So I guess farming works as it turns out. How do I collect it? Okay, I can just grab it. Interesting. So in my inventory, I should have a lot of wheat now. Here it is, wheat straws. I think that's it. Cool, so every time I grab one of these, I get a wheat. I guess what you do is you get them all, and you make them seeds again and start over, I guess. So what I was thinking is that we would be a little more like strategic about it now that we know this is kind of how it works. You just plow and wait unless someone else did something to kind of help me along. I doubt it. So yeah, I think you just plow, plant, and harvest. Even I can do that. But I don't want to just plant wheat. You can't live on carbs alone. So I was hoping we would definitely craft a couple more of these, but I also want to craft these other kinds of seeds. Herb seeds, pumpkin seeds. So if I go get some various things from foraging, I can craft those things into seeds and then plant those here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to spend the early morning here foraging. I don't think mushrooms probably can be turned into seeds, huh? It's kind of really hard to make a square. Maybe that's when you have better farming tools. Right now, like, it just seems like I can only kind of make blobs. That's okay. So in my inventory, I already have some pumpkin seeds. So I say we plant them. And we'll put these near the house, I guess. We just want to put them all together, all the stuff that is the same. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at it. It's so cute. Okay, so far so good. We got a few lines of pumpkins here. It's really hard to control your farming, to get them all lined up nice. But I'm also just a novice, so I'm sure it'll come in time. Let's go ahead and replant some wheat. Okay, so here I have my wheat seeds. I'm going to put them here on 4, and I'm going to come over here next to the pumpkins and just click and hope. And spacing is so challenging. Nope. Come on. We're getting it. We're getting it. Is it a straight line? Who knows? This farming in Medieval Engineers is probably not the best profession for someone with massive OCD, but you know me, I don't mind as much for most things. So I'm gonna make some more wheat seeds because I know I can. Oh, I can make these too. Herbs, craft. Definitely, we'll plant some herbs. All right, that's next on my hit list. Maybe those can go maybe right over here. Oh, nice. Oops. No? There we go. Over here. Look at these cute little plants that cannot be too close to each other. I don't know. I wish when you were placing it, it would kind of like, before you click, tell you that it's too close and therefore unplaceable. But that's just a nitpick. Because pretty soon we're going to have a lot of crops and we're going to be eating good. And none of that's going to matter. Am I out? I hope I'm not out. Oh, there we go. Come on. Come on. Plant. Yeah. Okay, well, so much for straight lines. But it's tough. I'm telling you, it's tougher than it looks. I look crazy right now, I know, but I mean, we got pumpkins, wheat, and herbs. We're doing great. Well, here's the finished product. Basically, we got all our pumpkins over here, plus 1 stray cabbage, and then a string of wheat, some herbs, some flax, and then the rest of the cabbage. And that's all the plants that I know about in Medieval Engineers. So I think we got them all. I think we're growing them all in Vortac's backyard. So, I guess I have to wait for those to grow, but what do I do in the meantime? I think we should select a place to live, and I want to be close to my crops, so maybe just like right over here somewhere where it's like NBD. You know, no big deal to just walk over there to my stuff. I don't know how to build, but I'm going to figure it out. So I'm thinking maybe this is the place. I already got started, I think. I assume you just kind of throw down a floor and get to work. And my farm's right here. You know, I wanted to have a yard, a front yard and a backyard that wasn't farm space, unlike Vortac. So I set it back just a little bit, but not too much. So I guess I'm just going to keep hammering until a house forms. All right, I got some walls set up. These are windowed kind of walls, and then I think somewhere around here I also have some plain old walls I can hammer in real quick for your viewing pleasure. And well, let's hammer it to 100%. I don't know if it makes a difference. I guess it must. And then the doorway will be in here, and hopefully we can make stairs, and then we'll have a nice double window view of the farm right here, and life will be good. We can even keep an eye on Vortac and Weem from here, so it's perfect. I just hope the floor doesn't stay like this. We'll have to figure that out. Man, I was expecting kind of like Worm, where this would just take the rest of the night and then some, and then I'd have to come back the next day and work on the roof. But I'm not going to say it's super fast, but man, compared to Worm, this is very quick work. Even I can do this. This isn't so bad. Cool, all the walls are up. Look at that. Look at that. That is something. Do you guys like it? I think it has potential, especially for a first ever build in Medieval Engineers. Look at that. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, now we're going to fight with some stairs. Maybe we can get them to snap on here somehow. That's not really the direction I wanted them to go. Maybe if I do it from the top, it will go easier. But then again, it doesn't want to let me in the house. So I think I may have done a boo-boo here. This is close. This is close. I really just want it to snap, though, or else it's going to, like, fall over like everything else. Why? Why don't you do what I ask? I don't understand. Okay, maybe from up here. Still no? Oh, these are very tall stairs. I don't know. These may be too tall. Look, look. Yes. Yes, yes. Let us hammer them in. Oh, yeah. Come on. 53%. Oh, look, they're cute. I should have made a deck. I should have made a deck with a ladder to it, and then you go in. But it's okay. Let's just keep it simple. It's our first build. Nice. I'm going to lay something called flooring, or floor, and it's snapping in nicely, so that's got to be a good sign. It's got to be what it's for. For covering all this, right? Whoops. Come on. Yeah. Last one. Oh, yeah. So hopefully we have materials to hammer some in. Come on. Do it. Do it. I don't understand. Should I crouch? Yeah, you gotta crouch, I guess. Look! It looks cool. Let's hammer it all the way in, though, so I don't get a bunch of flack. Okay, there. There, it's good. So that's what the rest of this is going to look like. Okay, this is the last one. Then we can admire the beauty of the natural wood floor. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Oh, it's glorious. Look at it. Guys, this is starting to resemble an actual house. Nice. I just don't get how to place the roofs, because obviously I don't want the roof to snap here because that's in the interior. I just don't... Oh, it went where I wanted it to go. Life is good. Okay, you just have to beg a little bit. Or maybe it's because I put that staircase over it so I could get up top. All right. That's fine with me. Nice. Oh, this is coming together. Come on. Yes. So if I just flip this around, will those meet in the middle? Maybe. Oh, gosh. Okay. I'm going to fight with this, and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, we got all the little bits up, so hopefully we can see what this looks like. Okay. Okay. It's going to be a bit leaky. We'll have to figure out a way to fill in the wall side here, but I think we're going to like it. I think this is going to be okay. This is going to be an okay house, guys. Okay, all the roofing is hammered in. Look what we got. Oh, nice. I can't believe I'm putting this all together without any help or input. I know it's simple. I know. But I just wanted to give you another look before the sun goes completely down and we're working in the dark. Okay, that's not exactly what I had in mind. As you can see, there's a little crack in the middle and they don't line up from interior to exterior, but man, I tried so hard, so I'm just going to call that good. That is good enough, and now we get to fight with it again over here on this side. Oh boy. There's got to be a trick to this, right? If you know a trick to this kind of thing, yeah, feel free to hit me up in the comments. Okay, so it's basically done. There are some anomalies. Again, on this side, we got this kind of unsightly shape going on, and even over here, more so an unsightly shape. I don't know how that even got there, and I don't know how to remove it. I have tried. Oh, I have tried so hard. So that's our antenna, I guess. So we are hooked up for cable, and we will be watching Modern Family tonight. So yay! I think let's go check on the crops. Oh, they are growing. Look, there's little baby pumpkins on these vines, and the wheat's coming up. The herbs are coming up. They look almost done, don't they? So yeah, we picked a good place to build because that'll be convenient to harvest. Why is the roof like that? It looks okay on the inside. It doesn't matter. So I think what I should probably do is focus on building my own stuff and things like a crafting table and like a research table and all kinds of fun stuff like that. A stone cutter. What does a stone cutter do? I don't know. Let's make one. We should have one in our house. We should definitely have one in our house. Let's see. Can we put it down in here? Is it going to snap? Come on. Okay. So you can make, oh, like beams and diagonal things, and okay, cool. Well, we have one. Good for us. So I'm going to go cut down some more trees so I can make a crafting table and whatnot, because that definitely is the bottleneck at this point. Yay! We got a research table, a stone cutting thing, a crafting table, and a small chest that I can put things in. So now I don't have to run around with a full inventory all the time. It's a miracle. So I'm getting pretty hungry. My food situation's kind of meh. And these crops are not done yet. Maybe soon, but they're not. So I'm going to have to go forage and look for wild pumpkins and stuff on the ground all night. And I'll catch up with you in the morning. All right, well, I found some roots and pumpkins and other good things to munch on. So I guess we say goodbye to my house for the night, and I will see you guys next time when we use my farm behind this lit up house to, I think, unlock gourmet cooking. I don't remember what it takes in the research table, but I think we'll have to just use the crops I grow to craft a few handfuls of things in a campfire, and that'll be all the research we need, and then we can cook like bread and fancy stuff. I'll see you guys then.